All right, let's give this cross Nerdle a try. It's Sundays. I think it's supposed to be the most difficult of the week. Let's see what we can do. So we're trying to fit a math equation in every one of these spots. Fill out this crossword puzzle. So I think an equal sign is going to have to go ahead there. I think that's going to be the first thing I'm going to put in the puzzle. Because every equation has to have an equal sign, and there's no other place where it could go other than this one. All right, a lot of times you have like a little three square equations, and it doesn't look like we have any of those today, which is unfortunate. Okay, so 6 times something is going to equal, okay, so this has to be an equal sign, because the only other place the equal sign could have gone, I think, would have been here for this equation, but you can't end this equation in an equal sign, so the equal sign has to go here. So this is going to be 6 times a single digit number equals a double digit number, which makes a lot of sense. Something divided by something, this is going to have to be an equal sign, so putting the equal signs in is helpful a lot of time. Okay, something that ends in a 2 divided by something equals 9. 72 is the only number. The only 2-digit number that ends in a 2 that's divisible by 9 is 72. So it's 72 divided by 8 equals 9. That has to be here. Cool. So we've got some digits in the grid here. So it's going to be 7 something 4 something 8 equals a double-digit number, or this could be, I guess, a double-digit number. The 8 could be it could be 80 something, but that seems unlikely. I feel like there's probably going to be an equal sign here. This is interesting too, because we're subtracting a double-digit number. It has to be subtracting a double-digit number. And I think we probably have to be adding 70. That's the only way that's going to work. So it's going to be a single-digit number minus like 69 probably, plus 70 equals something. I'm pretty sure that's going to be definitely what this is, but I'll come back to that. Wow, we have nothing in this up and down one. This is a tough puzzle here. Okay, this is 420. This is going to have to equal 420. And I'm guessing we're going to have some multiplication here. 80 doesn't go into 420, so this couldn't be 80, but this is going to have to be multiplication. It's going to be times 80 something. 85 must go into 420. I don't think it does, though. 5 times 84 is 420. Wow, that's definitely what this is. 5 times 84. Because 5 times 80 is 400, 4 times 5 is 20. Add those two together, you get 420. That's definitely what this is. Okay. Then we have a plus 3 here. There's definitely going to be an equal sign there. Who knows what this number is going to be. Okay, so I got a 5 up here and a 4 down here. Hopefully I can figure out what this is. So there has to be an equal sign here, presumably, right? Yeah, the equal sign can't go here, so it's going to go here. Okay, so something equals a single-digit number, and there's going to have to be a double-digit number involved here. So it's probably 20-something divided by 4 equals a single-digit number, you got to think. And there's 3 numbers that can go here if it's divided by. It would be 0, 4, and 8. 0, 4, and 8. This is definitely divided. I've concluded that is definitely the case. Because it has to equal a single-digit number, and there's going to have to be a double-digit number somewhere in here, and the only way to make that happen is a double-digit number divided by 4. So 0, 4, or 8 here. If it was 0, this would be a 5. If it was 4, this would be a 6. If it was 8, this would be a 7. What makes sense here? 6 times a single-digit number equals something. It can't be a 0. No, it could be a 0. What am I talking about? This could be a 5. Could definitely be a 0. If it was a 4, yeah, that works too. This could be 24. All right, well, I think the equal sign here probably has to go here. Yeah, it's not going to go here. It's not going to go at the end of the equation. The equal sign goes there. So something times something equals 70 something. This feels like it could be 8 times 9 equals 70. If it's in the 70s, this is definitely multiplication because it's a single digit times a single digit. It could be 8 times 9, could be 9 times 8, but this is probably going to be 72. What other single digits multiply to 70 something? The answer is none. You can't get to 70 something without 8 and 9 with single digit numbers. So these are 8 and 9. I don't know the order yet. That could probably be figured out because this is 278. Maybe we could figure this out. Equals 200. How is this going to equal 278? Oh, it's just a 3-digit number minus something. And it's minus 8. It's 280. That's for sure what this is. That's the only way you could get a 3-digit number here. We're not multiplying to it. So it has to start with a 3-digit number, and then we have subtraction. Okay. And it's going to be, so it's going to be 286 for sure, because we have to subtract a single digit number and make it. And this has to be a 6, so it's going to be 280 something. And then it's going to be minus 8. And that locks in the 9 here. This is 72. So this equals a 220 something. Okay, so now we're getting closer to what this has to be. So 6 times 4 would be 24. How many? Okay, so it has to be this number right here. These are both 20 something, right? So it has to be, this 20 something has to be divisible by 4 and 6. The only number that's in the 20s that's divisible by 4 and 6 is 24. So that's perfect. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24, and we were making some serious progress here. This thing is filling in. Okay, so double digit 4, 5 equals for sure here. And this has to be a single digit number. So this is probably, this is almost definitely division. So 12 divided by 4 plus 5 equals 8. I'm almost positive that's what this is. I think this has to be division, because we have to make these numbers smaller to make it equal a single digit number. This is definitely a double digit number, and I'm virtually positive that it's 12. What else could this 2 be that's divisible by 4? And the answer is nothing. It's 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3, plus 5 is 8. This is 98. We have a lot of the digits here now. This has to equal a single digit number. Is 98 divisible by 16? It's not. How is this going to equal a single digit number? Oh, it's 98 divided by maybe 26? 36? No, 36 doesn't work either. It's going to have to be divided. There's no way, right? We have to make it equal a single digit number divided by a double digit number. 26 must work. Yeah. Wait. No, it doesn't. 98 divided by 26. 46? No. So is 8 wrong then? 12 divided by 4 plus 5. I think that's the only way that works. This is weirding me out. Uh-oh. Okay, well, we have all the information we could possibly have down here. No, unless we get this number. Yeah, I think we're probably going to need this one, actually. I have to get this. So, wait, is 16 doesn't go? 16 already feels like it wouldn't be big enough, though. 98. So 16. No, 16 definitely does not. 16, 32, because 8 doesn't go into 98, so that's not, yeah, it's not possible. Okay. 26. Let me try 26 again. 26, 52. 52, 78, and then it's not going to work. 36 doesn't work either, because 9 doesn't go into 98. 46 doesn't work. Huh, where did I screw this up? This is bumming me out. Alright, well, I have all of the information I could possibly have for this equation, so let me try to figure out the other equations, I guess. I feel like this equation must be wrong for this one, unless I'm wrong with this division going here. But it has to, right? Oh, it could be minus. Division doesn't work at all, so it's going to be minus, and it's going to be minus 96. Wow. Wow, does that have to be true? That's crazy. If that's the logic they're forcing you to do to figure this puzzle out, that was tough. 98 minus 96, and it has to be 96. And so now we have 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's going to give us this one. This is going to be minus 69, right? So it's going to be minus 69. Has to equal 5. So I'm going to have to make this equal negative 5. Or, sorry, negative 65. So 4 minus 69 plus 70. 4 minus 69 plus 70 equals 5. Crazy. That works, right? 4 minus 69 is negative 65. Yep. And then plus 70 equals 5. Alright, what else is going on? This up and down one, that's still throwing me for a loop. That was wild. I guess you could, I don't know, you can just figure it out. Okay, so where's the equal sign going to go in this equation? I still don't know. It's either here or here. 7, oh wait, no, it's definitely going to go here. 80 something here wouldn't make any sense. Yeah, it's going to be equal. It's going to be here equals a double digit. So 7, it can't be plus plus. Could be multiply. No. Can I multiply this one? No. Yeah, or I'm thinking like about adding. Can't multiply both, right? That would be too big of a number. Can't multiply one, divide the other. Huh. Weird. Okay, maybe I try a different equation. So what's this up and down one gonna be? I don't know. How am I gonna figure out this thing? So this has to be a number, and then, whoa, okay. So this has to equal 4. I'd say definitely. Oh no, it could be 101 minus 9 equals 94 or something. No, that doesn't work. Yeah, so this is gonna have to equal 4. So this, yeah, it could be 101 minus 97 equals 4. That seems like it works pretty well. 101 minus 97. I think that has to be true. This is going to have to be like 2 plus 12 times 6 or something. 13 times 6. 13 times 6. 13 times 6 is 78 plus 2. Yeah. 2 plus 13 times 6 is 80. Okay, so still need this equation, which is very confusing to me. But I think everything else is working. Really was having a hard time figuring this out. So 7, multiplication is not going to work here. It feels like multiplication has to go here. And I just don't understand how. 7 times 4 is 28. Oh, no. It doesn't. How am I going to make this a 4 at the end? That definitely has to be an 8. I'm back to the logic of this up and down one. Does this equal sign, can this equal sign not go here? Is there some way to make this like 80 something? That seems impossible. Let me look at this again. Could this equal sign go here? No, definitely not. 7 times 4 that's the biggest you could make that. That's not working. So this is definitely not, this equal sign is going here. 7, why am I so, 7 minus 4, that's not working at all. How does this work? This is brutal. What am I doing wrong? I think, how are you supposed to figure out this equation? They gave us everything except for this 8, and this 8 has to be true. Everything I'm thinking about is 4 times 8 is 32. Oh, is it 7? Is that going to work somehow? 7 divided by 4 times 8? That's super weird if that's what they're doing right now. 7 divided by 4 times 8. So basically just 7 times 2 is 14. That's crazy. 7 divided by 4 times 8. So basically you could just do, it's like 7 divided by 4 times 8. So like 7 over 4 times 8. You can kind of cancel the 4 and the 8 and make it 2. You're multiplying by 2 basically. I don't know. Tough math there at the end. I'm pretty sure this is going to be good. That's it. Sundays are tough. Wow, that was a tough puzzle. Psyched I got through it though. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.